Is green better than red? We'll have to see. I'm Tim Johnson and you're watching Shop Tool Reviews. This is the Bosch GLL40-20G and it's their green self-leveling cross-line laser, good for up to 40 feet. Now the purpose of the green laser is that they claim it's 4 times brighter than their red laser. So we've used their red laser, some of their cross-beam lasers, and Bosch makes some really nice units. We were very happy with it. In fact, we actually striped our car build that we're doing on the Olds 442. We actually striped the car using their cross-beam laser, and it worked out really, really easy. Now the great thing is the green, even in broad daylight, we actually can see this very easy in our shop. Shooting on a white wall, could easily see the green laser. So it's definitely brighter, definitely more visible than a red laser. The other nice thing about this is when you buy this kit from the Home Depot, it's only 129 bucks, comes with the batteries, comes with a nice little soft case here, also comes with this nice kind of general purpose clamp that'll hook up to anything 2x, so if you're hooking it on a stud, hooking it on a sawhorse like we had it, or a rafter, what have you, you can do that, or even clamp it on a wall, whatever you need to do. It'll also fit on your typical 1/4 inch, camera tripod or any kind of stand like that as well. So easy, just turn it on. There's only one switch on this thing, no buttons or anything. Turn this on, it unlocks that self-leveling laser, and so then you have that nice perpendicular plumb line, and you also have that level line as well, and it's going to self-level. So you can see as I tilt, it'll actually self-level this. And if I go too far, then it's actually going to shut the laser off. So when you're kind of too far, it's going to shut off on you. So really nice unit. Also, you see it wobbling around. And again, when I turn this off, it's actually going to lock that head in there, so now it doesn't wobble around. So as you're traveling, as you're carrying this from job to job, or throwing it in your car, it's going to lock up and it's not going to bang that head around. And then when you get it back and turn it back on, put it on the stand, it's going to level out just fine and work like it's supposed to. Check it out. Again, it's from Bosch. You can find them at Home Depot for 129 bucks. And also make sure you keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.